Good evening. My name is Claire Crook, and this is my proposal for our company to move forward in remodeling out of service malls into homes. I see our company having an opportunity in reaching forward with this. Roughly 30% of malls are dead or dying with the rise of online shopping. The recent trend has been to renovate and retrofit these old buildings into residential facilities. We have worked on projects similar to this in the past, so I think that this is something that our company is more than capable of doing. We have the ability to expand our clientele if we move forward with this. There are many people that are wanting to move in on this trend and be able to have their name on these projects. With your permission, I would like to be able to look into how we can implement this into our company. If we were to jump on this bandwagon, I can see our company expanding its services, increasing specialized employees, and we can appeal to current and future clients. In order to work towards this, we will need to further our knowledge as a company. I propose that our company decides to look into the International Code Council's adopted codes for the local areas, the National Fire Protection Code, and look into some outside research for local regulations, past projects, and other companies' published experiences to provide knowledge of how to proceed in this future endeavors. I can break down our research into the benefits, products, and method. Starting with the benefits, if we were to go through with remodeling these out of service malls, we would be able to expand our clientele to people interested in doing this. We can grow our company with specialized employees that can work on these projects during most of their time in the office. We can also expand our offered services to clientele by putting this on our typical repertoire. We'll be able to encourage governing bodies to change laws that would otherwise tear down these malls and retail facilities into rubble that would just be construction waste, of which I would like to try and prevent. Our company will also be able to lead the way in this popular application before other companies decide to take advantage of this new opportunity. In going through with research, I would like to be able to provide the following for our company. I would like to have a list of lifespans of equipment parts. This will include anything that was previously installed and is existing in the vacant building. I would also like to produce a cost-benefit analysis of keeping some parts versus replacing them. As standards have changed throughout the years, I can see that some parts, including conduits or pipework, could be saved for future use. Alongside my research, I will also provide a list of relevant code references of differences between residential and retail spaces. There are different standards, including ventilation and certain fire suppression systems, that would need to be changed. Going through all of this will also give me the opportunity to provide an estimate of length of time from project beginning and proposal to completion. In order to conduct my research, I will need to know my methods. I ask permission to conduct the following actions for my research. I would like to be able to research rules and regulations related to retrofitting out of service malls. In doing this, I will be able to outline exactly what our company is up against. These are rather large projects, and we would need to know how to do it right the first time without having to look up rules along the way. I will also compile a cost-benefit analysis of the equipment we are to use in the building. Anything old and existing, along with what is going to be new and added into the building, will be included. I will also send out emails inquiring about the difficulties of retrofitting large buildings. This could be to other engineers or companies that have done projects like these in the past. There are a few other offices in our company that may have worked on projects like these, and I would like to be able to reach out to them and find out the easiest and best way to go about this. I will also provide visual aids to help visualize any percentages in my research. This can include statistics for the equipment used, the utilities, and any people that may be affected by doing this sort of service. I will then research how our company can implement this line of work and to train employees. I believe that if our company would like to add this line of work to our repertoire, we would need to have multiple employees understand how to move forward in this. Having more people knowledgeable in this field will make it so that less questions are being asked and less time is being wasted. Potentially, if we are able to provide enough employees to retrofit these old malls, we may be able to develop a whole new or a much larger clientele than we already have. I believe that I could conduct the necessary research, and I ask for your permission to do so to help our company grow. Thank you for your time.